Hi, this is Dave Schowalter from the Stewardship Committee, and I wanted to talk to you today about UUCW's income sources and also our operating budget and expenses. The pie chart in front of you shows our income sources, and you can see by and large, most of our income comes from pledges, and that's when in the second half of the church year, we ask everybody to make a pledge or promise of what they're going to give the following church year. And then we use that money throughout the church year towards the operating budget. And that's about 64% of our income. The next largest source of income is from our investments. And so we do have an investment committee that manages an investment account. And the principal of that account comes primarily from bequests that have been made to the church over the years. And the annual income from that is then used towards the operating budget. And investments account for about 21% of our income every year. The next largest source is building use fees. So when outside groups use the church parking lot or use the building, we charge them a rent. The next largest is fundraising. And so that would be events such as the yard sale, barbecues, other special events where we have people pay to be involved in those events. And then comes the plate, which is what we put in the offertory every Sunday. And the plate is only about 2% of the church's income. And smaller than that, even at about 1%, are gifts that people give throughout the year. So that's our income. And so now we can go and talk about our expenses. And so as you can see, the single largest expense are salaries for our staff. And that's about 80% of our annual budget. So the most important thing, I think, the most important asset we have, as everyone will agree, is our staff. Next, of course, is the building and the maintenance of the building. And so that is about 11% of our operating budget. Then if you look at office and programs, just the cost of running the office, administrative costs of the programs, that comes in at about 5%. And then there are outreach activities towards the community, and that costs about 3%. So that's a summary of where our money comes from and then where it goes as we spend it every year. Thanks so much.